I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bored myself when you come and fuck me. I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like water while you wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about you.
Hi guys, my name is Mbulela Austin Barley, also known as Kim. If you're returning, welcome back, baby. If you're new here, I'm gonna give this make sure you subscribe so that next time if you post my videos, you can be notified. Guys, I know what is upload my videos or a video. Like scholar this year, guys, like sing bambing my washing and like jail first semester I'm so hectic and being named also like being struggling with time management. But then manje like into make her sure. I would think to make her sure. Make her sure everything yami, my schedules wami hamba kahle and then just saying to discuss so in my videos so I post it on YouTube please. So today namuhla anyway oh my gosh, so namuhla stop esikhuluma about by the way about the worst year of my life, which was 2023 last year. Yo guys, ngipose ngafa. As you guys know that ngiyafunda ngi-student UJ, and like last year being first day yabo, so njengoba nje being first day, like I was so excited ukuthi finally ngiyaphuma le bengihlala khona. I was like kumbe njani, but then like bengifuna vele ukuthi like after matric ngiphume ngihambe. So like I was so excited because finally, oh my gosh, ngiyaphuma ngida endaweni enyiwani lapha ngangadi khona ndocala kabusha ngida eJozi. Like yo guys, I was so excited and I was so happy and I was so proud of myself ukuthi like ngiphase kahle and bagcine bangithethe e-university. Like iphela university akusi easy ukuthi uthole admission, but then mina I did period. But then asikho lapho guys, so like njengoba ngisho like ngithi I was so excited bengijabulile like nje ukuthi yo shaming ngoba first year, but at the same time like bengithukile ukuthi like yo phela useJozi and iJozi but in njani bugebengu wara nokuthi like nje nge-university ngil-first year like kuyathusanyana at the same time like we're exciting. But then yeah, okay fine, okay ngafika vele la Jozi like 46 February, yes ngafika vele la Jozi, and then bengithole accommodation because ngizweka already bese ngathi ngiyaphi, and then bengithole accommodation ngasitwa nje like ineighbor yami ngiyamthanda futhi abo nje ngafika ngayithola accommodation, and then uyathi nawe ukuthi like now first day nawufika like nje angathi kuthi ngila UJ kumina la universities, but then like if nifika imali ye-NSFAS or accommodation ayibhadalwa like same time. And another thing thine saba nje nokuhlupheka nyana last year when it comes to do about the funding and stuff, because like i-NSFAS labanye like status besime ku number 2, labanye njani njengasami yabo, like mina i-NSFAS yami ya progress I think ya number 3 then ya shift yabuyela back number 2. Labanye bangani bami number 4 labathi ya kami number 6, like nje I was like wow guys, shokuthi nami ngeneka yabo kami kudolunga. Okay fine, ngifike ngi-attend ama orientations vele la UJ kube right and stuff. How dugu guys, nema classes asengaqali ngisithi ngicheck status sami se-NSFAS it's rejected. Hey, it's rejected. And mind you guys, ngituka accommodation ayikabhadalwa. Lo mlungu loya uthena ngento etohlala lapha yana ngidombhadala if imali yami NSFAS iphuma, cause like uyathi ukuthi imali itophuma, and then like sengiyambhadala yabo like okay fine, yathi rejected. Nayithi rejected mlungu okay phela receive i-list ngana ngisho like now funded by NSFAS ne-list lephumako from that university, and then yekuma landlords or like iyaphuma nje ukuthi bani babe nayo ucheck ukuthi oh are you still funded or are you funded in njani. Okay i-list iphume nayo iphuma i-list, landlord ingibidele officeini ngi-officeini kanti already sengiyathi ukuthi like ngi-rejected yabo ngeda ngamtsheli. Okay i-landlord ifike vele ngibidele officeini nayibitele officeini. Oh but before that like bengisolong angiya e-student center esikolweni ngobuda ukuthi kahle konakalani kumele ngene njani bangitshela ukuthi like ngimele ngiaphile and stuff, and then nga-appeal, and i-reason yokuthi ngibe rejected bathe bona missing supporting documents wara leso sikhathi lekhathi nga-matric ngi-applyela for i-NSFAS ngamikisa konke guys wonke ama-documents ngamikisa onke. Okay fine angikhola ngisekhaya like bebangangithembi ukuthi nje mara umikise konke into like cabanga bese bacanga ngathi kumbe like ikhona mina into le wrong lenyendile leso sikhathi akusingimi i-NSFAS mine ngayilokhu njela kahle ngayi-applyela kahle. Okay fine vele landlord ngani yangibidela officeini wathi lo mlungu yana phume i-list lana and awukhola kule list lokuchaza ukuthi you're not funded or like istolinza kwanyalo yabo ukuthi into takho dize kulunga but kule period leyo ukuthi silinze kumele ubhadale cash guys and accommodation la Jozi phela iyadura. Wathi landlord kumele ubhadale cash and I was like oh okay cool. Ngizokhuluma nabakithi yabo ngibatshele and stuff and then nje after lapho ke vele ngabatshela ekhaya ukuthi phela lo make uthi ufuna imali yakhe ngabatshela okay basa mveke kulungisa sabhadala vele ilo i-accommodation cash and then ngathi like not after actually angathi kusindothini but then okay sabhadala nawuthi end of April like bo April inyanga siyakophela okay like cause like vele like bengihlala ngichecka status sami ukuthi like ishintshile kume njani cause imngane wami ehlala on campus wangitshela ukuthi bake babane meeting yabo then babatshela ukuthi labanye isort like ukuthi like iba rejectile i-system ye-NSFAS njani ngendeka kunodabo tolunga yabo mara in the meantime aba appeal and vele bese ngiaphilile. Okay fine ngicheck status sami ngisela April ngicheck status sami nje kuyakophela inyanga April ngithi gaga ithi provisionally funded and I'm like hayibo kanjani manje like indodlunge njani yabo and then ivele ngigijime ngiye student finance namfe student finance but nam so funded ukuthi into yakho sithi right and stuff ngifonele sesami ngimtshele vene bangani bami yabo like libe basathi lesimo sami ngibatshele ukuthi phela into tamthe so athi yena sesami na check status sakho se-appeal ne-appeal yami i-appeal angathi kumbe beyiprogressile kume njani mara like ngayi-check nayo ngathi bebasacheck ama-documents yabo ngani like ihamba ama-stages. Okay fine ngibe funded vele imali ngiyithole yabo like yadongela inyanga lebengisolo ngayitholi leya ye-meal yabo ngiyithole vele then sema ngiyithola ngithenga into vele ta-serious cost umuntu like betshoda ngithenga into asendlini and stuff wara. Okay fine vele sengifunded by NSFAS how duku nangena bono rakho ngabojuni hlola mje nangena bono rakho ngabojuni angisho like kwangena bono rakho besemakhaya bekumele sithole imali sisemakhaya imali sesiyangangena nayingangeni imali kithi yayiza ngiyangena cause bathe if kungukuthi njengoba nyelo sekungenele kuma providers nontoni ma service providers ngihambani kuma links awo thina vele uJ7 rakho hamba ku link yeno rakho ufike uapply and stuff wala or register how mina nangena like ayifuni ukuthi ngene nangena ayifuni ukuthi ngene but thina ngifake i-ID yami vele bangitshela ukuthi na ama details abawatholi injanjani cause angisho nangiva bathi i-NSFAS ngiyo yona lethumela timvo kunorakho yabo i-list yabantu abafunded by NSFAS kunorakho and then now apply lapha sebayakhona ukuthola letinto takho. Okay fine how okay ngithi like angifune ngistress into yibona nangifika esikoleni because lapho ke bese sekhaya nge-recess ngoJune ngifike la sikoleni how nangifika la sikoleni ngihambe ngiye student finance ngoba usikahlahle kani kwenakalani yabo wayeke ndeke sona into etinjalo wara kwasha kwacima bangitshile basibona na kutolunga injanjani wara yabo nje like bangayendi like mizamo yokuthi okay like singena ku computer sakubukela injalo but na kutolunga wena contact abakano rakho nabaka NSFAS guys ngihlala ngisenda ama-emails so ngibhukene ma-airtime seswami lamanye angisendele wona ngihlala ngibafonela ngithi ngiya-check-a injanjani ngingatholi lutho any respond kunorakho neloyane NSFAS. Yo guys like yabo like lento stress mind you like ngil first year guys ngise university cabanga ustressiwe tindzaba tesikolo ustressiwe tindzaba te funding ustressiwe yo namjolo ngiyabuya futhi kuyo leyo ngithi mina okay vele ngifunze yabo ngifunze kuhambe inyanga vele injanjani guys imali solo ingangeni noma ke like awu angibude ukuthi imali manje imali yakhe accommodation yabo injanjani okay fine ngimtshele ukuthi angisho nganyalo bese ngifunded yabo so like iNSFAS yakhona ukumbhadala yachubekisa yabhadala okay fine vele ngithi mina kuloma ke ngiyaya student finance yabo bathi silinze injanjani wara okay lo make vele ayi angabi nenkinga alinze vele naye how like so ukuthi like from June mina ngayithola imali like ngagcina kuyithola ngoMeyi ngoJune July August September October ngathola imali vele till vele kuze kophela iminyaka how okay fine ngabo October lo make vele aqale vele yeah angibude ukuthi okay how kanzi bathini student finance ngimtshela ukuthi student finance mina solo nyaya solo bangitshela the very same thing ngithi yabo like ngichecka iportal yami yaka NSFAS like ngifuna ukubona status sami ngesithini ingavumi ukuthi ngingene ecabanga ingavumi ukuthi ngingene ayifuni ukuthi ngiloge ngibuke laphana lo make apringe lo make athi ngifuna imali yami yo guys yabona ngibe stressed athi ufuna imali yakhe guys leso sikhathi le mali ngimalini le mali leyo lekayifunako lo make athi ufuna imali yakhe leso sikhathi ngilaphe rest angabhadali yo guys ngibe so stressed nasekhaya nje babe ne stress ukuthi kahle kahle konakalani enebona ikhabe sebathukele ukuthi ngeneka lo make la ikhudi omxosha sicabanga sengiba street kid sengihamba ngilala ngaphasi kwemablishi and stuff yo like nje babe so stressed ekhaya nami nje ngibe so stressed ngala nje guys ngibhala ama exams ngala sikhathi sema exams like uthi uyafunza sometimes guys singafunzeki uthi bude kusikanzi ngelo kwendakala ini ngala like ngibe ne stress sokuthi yo shemi ngicabanga bengijabulile ukuthi ngiyalungisa university dukuduku yabo nje sengocoshwa injanjani leso sikhathi neNSFAS ma fees wasesikoleni ayikawabhadali la second semester besikweleta isikolo ngathi 70 something thousand guys cabanga lo 70 something thousand loyo plus nale ye-accommodation ngimalini leyo ekhabo ithatha le mali leyo because mina kokucala nje boyithuba badali bami abasebenzi batholela nje impesheni ekhaya nje kusebenza sesiwami kuphela nje sibukelele kuye nathi nami nje nangicakekile ngibukana nasesiwami yo guys sesiwami phana ngeke zakhona like ikubhadala yonke lento because unemntwana ngala ufunza e-private school naye kumele atinake ngala na unethi yabo nje unempilo naye yakhe le kumele ay maintain yo guys ngibe ne stress yo yabo ngibe ne stress ngala futhi ngala nakhona bengijola nalomfana le bengijola naye indoda ethu nje dit yo guys amfana naye angala ungwile uyangistressa nkosi yami shemi ngicine ngihlukane naye ukuhlukana kwami naye like kwangivisa abhlungu because lo mfana bengimthanda like nje ngaba ne stress man yabo ngaba so depressed because inodami like bengahambi kahle empilweni yami ngala yo guys bengihlala ngithandaza ngesinkulunkulu shemi ngoneni kume lo muntu le khona kusimuntu like lengimonile ngicela angicolele inodami tilunge yo guys like bengi-stressed bengigowa bengigowa okay fine vele ngalangani bengibhala ama-exams nangibhala ama-exams yabo ukuthi guys ubhale ama-exams ma-results uve bathi sekaphumile wena ama-results awaboni phela la e-UJ if like ma-fees wakho angakabhadalwa like ma-results wakho akaphumi guys ngivele nje ngithi yathi sengicabanga nokuyekela ukubhala lokho ama-exams injanjani warawara because ma-fees wami awekho paid yabo like awabhadalwa okay nangiya esikoleni during my exams sometimes nge-student finance ngibude usikani konakalani because lo make bekasola ngibhiza athi hambe student finance yobuta phela ukuthi konakalani nangiya kobuka bavele bangitshela ukuthi bona sho ukuthi u-defunded injanjani warawara because thina last nelist abantwana bokuthi imali yabo it might happen ukuthi ibuye like babhadale ma-fees wabo injanjani but sho ukuthi phela wena u-defunded and lokho kusho ukuthi sekumele ukubhadalele ma-fees esikolo kumele ne-accommodation udibone yo guys yo nine ngiyantshela yo ngithi mina ngimuke ekhaya December ngingekho mnanzi ngimuke ekhaya December ngingekho mnanzi ngine stress bengithi naloko ama exams ngiyayekela angisabhali cause ngibhala ngiyafana ama results akaphumi and lokuchaza ukuthi phela sho ukuthi phela sengo drop out yabo like sengo drop out la sikoleni ngibuyela back le makhaya ngingala sengithwele ukuthi emakhaya bovele bathi ya ufailile yabo like bahlebana phela ya ufailile injanjani wara kumhlulile bekasolo athi gcapha athi yena use university wara yo guys yo guys nibatali bambane stress mama ahlala ngifonela shame efana like right na khamba njani yo guys ngikhalile shame yabo last year ngikhalile ngalamjolo ngalana sikolo ngalathi indzaba te-NSFAS yo guys bengihlala ngikhala eres bangani bami lebe ba close nami bebangathi shame nalebe bengibana nabo la Perez bengihlala ngikhala okay fine vele fika isikhathi sokuthi sekumele ngimuke phela for ma holidays December or recess December okay vele ngimuke athi seswami mina mbulelo buya yabo like phakathi ijumba takho ubuye cause ayikho into le story lanathi kude la futhi sizoboleka khona imali sikubhadalele buya ushiye indoda yakho lapho okay vele ngithathe impahla tami into edinga yabo ngithathe ne PC yami yabo nje ngiphume vele ngishiye everything amabhodo na konke nje kuselele ngiphume vele ngihambe yo guys December nangihlele ekhaya ngiva ngicabanga lenza bekuthi January nje bana baye ema universities mina angibuyele ngiyahlala la makhaya stress singishaye guys ngithi mina benginatha like yo bese nginathiswa na stress kuthi angifuni lokucabanga kakhulu guys benginatha every weekend babathi kune events kuphi esiyabhana kumbe ekhaya benginatha guys yabona shame indaba ye-NSFAS indaba ye-funding e-university iyastressana bese ngizivese ngidropile vele out sengithi angisalokhu nje vele athi seswami yena buya next year sho ukuthi phela soqala phela so apply yabo like now apply sho ukuthi sodoza ama-applyela nama bursaries because nginami ama bursaries akuthatha because i-NSFAS yabo ayizange yele titori injaja vele nje ngiyenda ipeace vele nokuthi vele angisabuyeli yo ayishame yo guys last year ngistressiwe okay fine vele sho ukuthi January yabo makuthi January angathi ukuthi esontweni sa January kumbe February like sho ukuthi mina like ngisonde TACC yabo and then say good TACC like every year nakucala mnyaka like kuba nale nkonzo lebathi isilingi sho ukuthi vele ngiye enkonzweni vele manje enkonzweni like impostoli wethu vele lapha ashumayela nasekuphuma inkonzo avela athi yena ya konke lekunhluphako kushabalale yabo like kuvuleke tino letivalekile yabo tenu inanana ngithi yongo siyamshemiva ngathi ukhuluma nami hawu lamaviki latako guys and bengihlala ngithandaza ngalendzaba le bengihlala ngithandaza ngathi ngithandaza ngikhokha le 10 kweshumi esontweni ngaze ngagcina ngayekela ukuthandaza ngathi ayisho ukuzivele yabo ngayenda peace how lamaviki latako after siceda ku-attend esontweni ngene i-message from la AUJ bavele bathi ama outcomes e-NSFAS sekaphumile injanjani like sheshu register fast ngathi bathini ngesikhathi ngena lapha ku-Ulink ma-results ami sengiyawabona injanjani yo guys ngajabula ngathi finally shame yo ngiyabuyela esikoleni mara net kuzivele like January yabo bekumele ngene ama-practicals ekungabe bengichubeka like nale course yami manje angawenda ama-practicals January because bengitshele ukuthi angibuya esikoleni ngiyendelana ama-practicals ngize ngibuye cause ma-fees wami akekho paid okay fine vele ngiregister fast everything yami seyalunga yabo seyavuma nokuthi ngiloge into kweportal yami ka-NSFAS yo guys yo bavele bangikude ekhaya ukuthi manje ngiyala socabanga kwena njani ngithi ngicabanga kubuyela esikolweni because nje kokucala mara like bengithi angisaid yabo like after sengikhale kangaka mina like bese ngidubile hayi wabuya umcondo wami ukuthi buyela esikolweni mbulela ngabuye ngathi vele la ngiyabuyela esikoleni baqala vele bangilungiselela into ekhaya lamaviki latako vele ngahamba vele ngeta la UJ and then navula tikolo yabo nje ngakhuluma ne-lecturer yami ye-methodology, ngakhuluma nje nabantu basesikoleni mangitshela ukuthi ama-practicals akho sho ukuthi sodwa wayinela ngalajuze yabo. Udobona na ukuthi wayinanjani mara like kwamele wayende because those hours kwamele wa-coverage or else angeke uzograduate. Okay, vele shem guys, tilo dam vele dalunga yabo nje ngakhona khona ama-practicals ami ngawaceda. And then like this year like nje angabi netinkinga letingako nje when it comes to ifunding yami because everything ibe ngcono yabo, ibe right, ibe paid because nabona rakho bebangekho this year yabo bese bangekho. So hey guys, shame ngibonga uNkulunkulu, yathi ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu mkhulu yabo guys. uNkulunkulu yabo nje nabathi uNkulunkulu uyambona empilweni yakho, mina ngimbonile shame. uNkulunkulu mkhulu guys, ngiyolenza ba like nokumthandaza angicethi, nokumbonga angimcethi, like ne-tens esolweni ngihlala ngiyikhipha every month. Yo ngiyambonga shem. So nje vele guys kungiloko tinotami nisho ukuthi like vele dalunga yabo, like nema-fees wami vele bawabhadala because i-NSFAS yagcine yaba right, bawabhadala ama-fees ami ase-UJ yabo, konke kwaba right nje, everything nje yalunga nje kwaba sharp. So hey ngeje ukuthi vele like lo Michael uyayi accommodation yakhe, excuse me ukuthi lo Michael uyavela imali yakhe accommodation like abazange bambhadala ka NSFAS mara like tinotami tisasele still yabo. So angathi usingombhadala nini, but then like bengithi mina if kungukuthi ngiyacedza this course or le degree yami ngalo 4 years nenze ngithola umsebenzi, ngifuna umbhadala yonke imali yakhe lo Michael shem. And nje ngiyambonga ukuthi akangihluphi, like akangihluphi ngenza bemali. Yes kona vele imali yakhe ayifuna, but like akangihluphi, akekho la kimi because uyadi ukuthi or like ngibona ngathi uyabona ukuthi like bengasi fault yami or like akusi fault yami ukuthi imali yakhe akazange ayithole yabo i-NSFAS into letinjalo. But then shem ngifuna ukumbhadala imali yakhe. Hey ngifuna ukumbhadala shem, ngifuna ukumbhadala angathi yabo if ngabe bathi nginemali ngalo bengizombhadala imali yakhe, but then like into ibhadala shem imali yakhe. So yeah guys kungiloko. And then this year nje vele ngicale phasi ngathenga into from scratch bonje, and then ngamove to i-accommodation nenyuwani which is lele ngihlala kuyo, and then la imali yakhona vele bayikhiphile like yabo bayibhadala. So ay guys kungiloko shem. And futhi tshele ngento guys like mina ngingcono cause like indodami tilungile, kunebantu bokuthi like babe unfunded la steda ngalungi basemakhaya bahleli. So hey guys ngiyolenza bangisi neve uNkulunkulu shem, ngiyambonga angiqethi, ngiyambonga nje angiqethi. So yeah guys shem bengithi nje athi ngishilo le story sami lesi, and if kungukuthi like uyibukelile le video wayithanda ngiyabonga kakhulu, ngicela u-like, and if kungukuthi bosolo ubukela ungaka subscribe kule channel yami ngicela usubscribe ukuze ukuthi next time mangiposta amanye ama videos ukhona kuba notified. Thank you so much for watching.